In this lesson, we're going to cover the Jira Cloud integration. This includes the benefits that the integration offers, as well as how to connect. To start, connecting the integration allows you to preview Jira issues from GitKraken Client, create issues, create custom issue filters, create branches from issues, as well as seamlessly transition to Git integration for Jira. To connect the integration, open up GitKraken and navigate to Preferences, Integrations, Jira Cloud. Here you'll see the option to connect to Jira. If you're not logged into Jira in your default browser, you'll be prompted to sign in. And after that, you'll see the option to choose the site that you want to connect to. Now let's hop back into GitKraken to see how to work with the integration. Start by opening up a repository. On the left-hand side, you can select Jira Cloud for the issues. And next, you'll want to select a project that you want to work with. Once a project is selected, you'll see the default My Issues filter showing all items assigned to you. And you can also create a new filter using JQL. You can view an issue by selecting it. Once you have the issue open, you can do things like add comments and edit fields like description, status, assignee, and labels. And lastly, you'll be able to create a branch from issues here. And that's it. You're now ready to get started using the Jira integration.